Right, after finding the gradient of the curve, you may need to find the gradient as well, like I said. So using the same gradient function. So example 1 here says find the gradient of the function y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 3 at a 2 minus 3. That's a coordinate. And right, the solution, firstly you have to find, you are finding the dy by dx, the gradient function, which means you are differentiating here. You are it becomes 2x plus 2. We said you drop the power, it becomes a coefficient, and you subtract 1 from the power. Then if you differentiate 2x, you get 2. Then you differentiate 3, you get 0. Then after finding dy by dx, then you have to find the gradient at the given point. Here we just need the x value. The x value is what is important to us, just because we have x. So you are now substituting the value of x into dy by dx here. So it's now 2 times 2 plus 2, which is 4 plus 2, which is 6. So 6 is the gradient of the curve at point A. Right. Example 2. Given that y is equal to x to the power half minus 3x to the power minus 1, find the gradient of the function, the gradient function of the curve, the gradient of the curve at point B, 1 minus 4. Right. So I've put in a little different function here. X to the power a fraction, which is half, and x to the power a negative value. You just apply the same principles when differentiating. You are now saying you drop the power, you are dropping half, then it becomes half x to the power half minus 1. You get minus half. Then for the other one, you are dropping negative 1, it becomes negative 1 multiplied by 3. And it becomes a positive 3 here, and you are subtracting 1. It becomes minus 1, which is minus 2. Then this is the value of dy by dx. Then B, the gradient at point B, you are just substituting the value of x, which is 1, into dy by dx. So I just substituting 1 here and 1 here in place of x. Then using laws of indices, you know that this negative is a 1 over here. So 1 over, and this is a fractional index, so it's the square root of 1. And then this is 1 over 1 squared, using laws of indices as well. Then we get 3, we get half plus 3, we get 3 and a half is our gradient. So that's how you find the gradient at a point using the gradient function.